Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best replacement filters for your air purifier, the FLT4825 HEPA Filter B. If you're looking to improve your indoor air quality, this filter is a fantastic choice for models like the AC4825, AC4825E, AC4300, and many others. Now, you might be wondering why the FLT4825 is one of the top picks. First off, it's equipped with an H13 true HEPA filter, designed to capture airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. Whether it's dust, pollen, pet dander, or even wildfire smoke, this filter is up for the task. Plus, it has a high-efficiency activated carbon pre-filter that helps reduce odors from cooking, pets, and other household smells, leaving your air smelling fresh and clean. When you buy the FLT4825, you'll receive a pack with 4 true HEPA filters and 6 activated carbon pre-filters. That's a solid amount of replacement power to keep your air purifier running at its best. And the best part? Replacing these filters is incredibly easy. You don't need any tools. Simply remove the old filter and slide in the new one. You'll have your air purifier up and running again in no time, and when you're done, just reset the filter indicator on your unit. What sets the FLT4825 apart from other replacement filters is its compatibility with a wide range of air purifiers. It's designed to fit several popular models, including the AC4825, AC4825E, and others from the same series, ensuring that you don't have to search for the perfect fit. Maintaining optimal air quality in your home is crucial for your health, especially if you suffer from allergies or respiratory conditions. Replacing the filter every 6 to 8 months is recommended to ensure your air purifier operates efficiently. With this filter pack, you can keep your environment fresh and free from airborne pollutants. If you're ready to breathe easier and enjoy cleaner air, the FLT4825 HEPA Filter B replacement is a must-have for your air purifier. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed product breakdowns. We'll see you in the next video.